Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your caught up for now, check back later for more updates on Facebook. If you're using Facebook and you're facing this type issue on your Facebook that you find a message you're caught up for now, check back later for more updates. So let's see or check about some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to go back from here and you have to try to update your Facebook apps. Open your App Store or Play Store, search for Facebook, and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Facebook app. If you find trying to update your Facebook app, and after updating, you just have to go back and have to retry or check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, open settings, go for general. You have to check that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect, then go for iPhone storage here and look for Facebook app and tap on offload app, tap on offload app again. After offloading, you just have to tap on reinstall app and just wait for the app until it's reinstalled. And once your app has been reinstalled, it will fix the issue you have. So basically, it's nothing else. It might be your network issue, or it's just your app issue that there will be any bug or any malware into your app cache. So it will be fixed in this step. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.